parents have asked to make it optional kormun. So when we say optional, जे कोणाक धाडपाक जाय activity based classic, ते parents धाडपाक जाता, and the other parents who want to send their children for any other extracurricular activities, make that optional for parents. Don't force it down to parents that the children have to come to school for these classes. So this is the second point which he said he will take a note of it. The third point which we asked for is the clarification of instructional hours when NEP was introduced for the 9th standard, okay, last, including all the extracurricular subjects. The term was smoothly completed, okay, from June to March, which all requirements fulfilled. So why is the need for all these extra hours? Extra hours किती आखी 9th standard smoothly gela, right from starting of June to April, to which he didn't have an answer again, and he said he will clarify and he'll get back. Then the clarification that also he gave was clarified due to the 6th standard implementation of NEP bridge course is needed. So we said if the bridge course is needed for the 6th standard, why the parents feel that why there is a need for extra hours for the other sections of students to come if you want to focus on the bridge section. Now bridge section for many parents to understand is from the old board to start to implement it to the new board, the transition is called a bridge.
Even
so
the bridge can be conducted in June onwards.
Even the bridge, as per Dr. Priya saying that the bridge can be conducted in June. So why is it needed that this April month to implement it, and when it is activity based? So to which the only justification given as of now is starting schools in April. Justification dila. Starting schools in April is to balance the two terms, as the second term is too short and inadequate in the present system. Because of all the, when the second term starts, there are a lot of sports day, annual days, and complete zaina म्हणून teka lagun ami dolla म्हणून we are increasing the hours. So to which the parents again raise concerns regarding the schools wherein 10 आता आम्ही पहिला 10th standard exam चालू हा, okay, those children who are in the other classes are given 15 days holidays. Like this parent has literally counted how many holidays the children are getting due to the board exams of the 10th standard. And when you see 15 days holidays as the premises are needed for the board exams, due to which the portion je ha no bhurjache portions are incomplete zala, and they are hurriedly pushing forward to complete it when they come back in school. So proper balance जायना आमचे जे कोण 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th hour हा 9th hour हा सारखे जायना. So they have hurriedly being pushed forward. So this also we have put forward, no parents, across with the secretary. Then the next point, 5th point je ha, medium of instruction. A lot of queries and concerns were raised and clarifications are awaited. The medium of instruction from 3rd standard onwards will not change. Okay, will not change. However, for the 1st and 2nd standards, medium of instructions will be in the local language, to which we parents have requested for clarification as to follow the existing system, which everyone is comfortable with. Do not change the 1st and 2nd standard medium of instruction. Let it follow how it is followed. The 6th point, very important parents to listen to this, is languages for the 6th standard. Now R1 is right now Konkani and Marathi as of the NEP 2020. We have requested, okay, to the director to include Hindi as well in R1, optional, Hindi as well. R2 at present is English, and R3, this is very important, we had a heavy discussion on R3, is the option of choosing foreign languages will continue only for the next 2 years, he said. To which, we parents, the present 6th standard students and below will not be given the option when they reach the 8th standard. So to clarify this, that now the 6th standard will not have foreign language, and they will continue when they reach 8th standard, tenka ashchana foreign language. So we have asked this for clarification, and they will only have option to choose. These students who go now from 6th standard will go to the 8th standard, they will have only option to choose between Hindi and other regional languages. To this, we as parents were not happy as a whole, because the whole concept of NEP says that the students should be exposed to more languages, and the option of choosing foreign languages should continue, especially in our Goa, and we have asked the secretary to consider the same. And this is why we have asked for a special committee meeting, and he's agreed to call for a special committee meeting where there will be 20 parents, there will be few headmasters, there will be teachers, there will be NEP heads and experts who are involved in implementing the same. And we would like to tell the secretary also that we would like the media also to be present, that so that you all also as media people can put out the message correctly to all the parents who have queries. So we as 5 parents today did this representation. More parents wanted to come, but since it's secretariat, we didn't want all the parents to come. And today we have the 10th standard board exams also going on. So we request, all the parents who are watching this to get in touch with your PTA heads, and start discussing this. Because if this what is the present circular implement zalyar, everyone is going to suffer. So we are, finding solutions and problems to everything that is there. But we need your parent support, because according to what they know is only few parents have a problem. But according to what we know, the whole of Goa is having a problem with starting.